Okay, the first website that we are going to look at is a website called Kiddom. Okay, it's an app. You can sign in through your Google account, which I did. However, you do not have to have a Google account, so it does work with other formats. So it's convenient for Google, but not necessary. What I am looking for this website is in our school, or at least in my classroom, we're really trying to do differentiation, meet the needs of the higher and the lower performing kids. So this is a tool that I found that I think will help out a lot. So it's kind of similar to Google Classroom with a few other tweaks that I think are going to be useful. So actually I can choose who gets what assignment. So when you go into your class, this is a demo class that I've looked into, and you click on an assignment, you can pick which student over here gets which assignment, and you can put in grades in here to show the kids what they've got. It's pretty convenient, and it's all kind of in one spot. Another thing that you can do is on all of your assignments, you can put which standards go with each assignment, which is really convenient because our curriculum is trying to go towards very standard-based things. So this is kind of nice to know exactly what standards, scroll down a little bit, go with which assignment. So another cool thing about this...
I need to have Dayton Logan and Jack Mills report back to class.
Sorry about that. That was an announcement while I'm at school. When you click into the assignment, you actually go into the assignment in this demo class, which it also gave me a new idea. They took me to Newsella, which I've heard about but never have looked into, where you can actually look at different articles that are different reading levels and pick and choose depending on which reading level your kids are at. So up here, you go up here and you can pick which lexile, and it's all the same type of article, the same subject, but just in different reading levels. So to go back to the site, when we go back here, this is just something that I think would help me with differentiation because I can pick and choose who gets what assignment and who I need to help. Another interesting thing is this report shows me class averages, what they have mastered and who needs help mastering. So lots of help with differentiation. The ISTE standard is the Designer 5A, where we're using technology to create and adapt learning experiences that foster and accommodate learners with different needs. So hope you all find this interesting. Thanks.